Hello, I was actually on my way to go check out the door, but then there's this little guy here. It's an ice cap. We all live in the woods, so no one can tell us what to do. But not how everyone ignores us. I don't want freedom if it means no one's gonna pay attention to me. It's kinda sad. Let's be bigger on the inside. Alright, I gotta go check out that door. Hey, you're here! I can't even remember how your voice went. I've heard there's a local tradition based off of my own suffering. It's a pretty good reaction to that. Were those lights red? I wasn't really paying too much attention. What? Why was there... Is it the... Huh. Alright. Interesting. I guess the little lights are those guys? Huh. But they're like moving in unison though, so it makes me think that it's like part of a face. I don't know. Alright. I'll see you on the other side of town. Gotta say, this effect is pretty cool. Okay, you do continue on from here. Huh. Where are the ice blocks? What are the ice blocks for? Platforms? Huh. Yo! Are you sneaking out to see her, too? Awesome! She's the coolest, right? I want to be just like her when I grow up. Hey, don't tell my parents I'm here. Haha. This is Jacko Flower. It repeats the last thing it heard, over and over. This is an echo flower. It repeats the last thing it heard, over and over. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. What? Haven't you seen the guy with 2 jobs before? Fortunately, 2 jobs mean twice as many legally required breaks. I'm going to Grillby's. Wanna come? Yeah. Well, if you insist, I'll pry myself away from my work. Over here. I know it was a shortcut. Fast shortcut, huh? Hey, everyone. Hey, Sans. Hey, Sans. Greetings, Sans. Hiya, Sansy. Hey, Sans. Weren't you just here for breakfast a few minutes ago? Nah, I haven't had breakfast in at least half an hour. You must be thinking of brunch. Here, get comfy. Whoops. Watch where you sit down. Sometimes weirdos put whoopee cushions on seats. Anyway, let's order. What do you want? Burger. Hey, that sounds pretty good. Groby, we'll have a double order of burger. So, what do you think of my brother? This is pretty cool. Of course he's cool. You'd be cool too if you wore that outfit every day. You'd only take that thing off if you absolutely had to. Oh well, at least if he washes it. And by that I mean he wears it in the shower. Here comes the grub. Want some ketchup? Yeah. Bon appetit. You tip the ketchup. The cap falls off and all the ketchup in the bottle pours onto your food. Whoops. Yeah, forget about it. You can have mine. I'm not hungry anyway. Anyway, cool or not, you have to agree Papyrus tries real hard. Like how he keeps trying to be part of the Royal Guard. Yeah, one day, he went to the house and the head of the Royal Guard and begged her to let him be in it. Of course, she shuttered the door on him because it was midnight. But the next day, she woke up and saw him still waiting there. Seeing his dedication, she decided to give him warrior training. It's still a work in progress. Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you something. Have you ever heard of the talking flower? Oh. Yeah. So you know all about it. The Echo Flower. They're all over the marsh. Say something to them, and they'll repeat it over and over. I was thinking the other flower. What about it? Well, Papyrus told me something interesting the other day. Sometimes, when no one else is around, a flower appears and whispers things to him. Flattery, advice, encouragement, predictions. Weird, huh? Someone must be using an Echo Flower to play a trick on him. Keep an eye out, okay? Thanks. Well, that was a long break. I can't believe I let you pull me away from work for that long. No, by the way, I'm flat broke. Can you foot the bill? It's just 10,000 G. Just kidding. Groby, put it on my tab. By the way, I was going to say something, but I forgot. Alright, whatever. So that's really interesting, huh? Flower's been talking to Papyrus, but I'm pretty certain that that's actually Flowey, not an Echo Flower. That's really foreboding. Flowey said he didn't want regicide. But isn't that kind of like regicide? Regicide is like when you kill monarchy, right? Hence the whole, like, hasn't the word prince or something been used on me before? Or at least monarch. Monarch, definitely. It was a very interesting bit of information. Let's hang out again sometime. Alright. Oh, it's rocks. This is a box. You can put an item in there or take an item out. Why would you, though? You can't use items when they're in the box. Sincerely, a box hater. Oh, uh-oh. That was not good. What happens? Well, they don't conk me on the head. That's at least nice. That's just a pole. I swore I saw something behind that rushing water. Behind the rushing water, huh? There's a tutu lying on the ground here. Will you take it? I guess. Old tutu. Old tutu. Armor, defense 10. Finally a protective piece of armor. I guess I put it on? The old tutu. I think that was better than... Yeah. Alright. I guess we'll put the thing... Yeah, we'll put it back in the box. We'll put it in the box in the first place. Reason why is, I don't know why, but I feel like the tutu might need to be given to somebody. Oh, that's... Oh, wow, the lighting. That seems foreboding. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Hi, Undyne. I'm here with my daily report, regarding that human I called you about earlier.
Oh? Did I fight them?
Yes, of course I did. I fought them valiantly.
What?
Oh, what? Did I capture them? Well, no. I tried very hard, Undyne, but in the end, I failed. What? You're going to take the human soul yourself? But Undyne, you don't have to destroy them. You see? I understand. I'll help you in any way I can.
Uh-oh. I have no idea if I could have moved during that, but I was too afraid to move. Oh. Yo, did you see that way she was staring at you? That was awesome! I'm so jealous! What did you do to get her attention? Haha. Come on, let's go watch her beat up some bad guys. Oh. Oh. Feeling of dread hangs over you, but you stay determined. Yeah, no kidding. That was... I can't believe I tried to make an Undyne voice. I didn't realize... Whoops. Before bridge seeds align in the water, they will sprout. And my phone drops. Okay. Crack right here. Alright. This music is very, like, dread-inducing. Hi! Aaron flexes in. The seahorse has a lot of horsepower. All of his attacks are harder to dodge at the bottom of the box. Check out all you want. Oh my goodness. Aaron is sweating bullets. You flex. Aaron flexes twice as hard. Attack increases for you too. Flexing contest? Okay, flex more. Ow. That was like 4 damage, alright. Aaron is ready for your next flex. You tell Aaron to go away.
You'll change your mind.
Aaron is ready for your next flex. How do I beat you? Flex harder. Flex twice as hard. Nice! I won't lose though. Oh, 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 the sweat. Oh my goodness, the sweat. Ah! Aaron is ready for your next flex. You flex. Aaron flexes very hard. He flexes himself out of the room. You won. There's a sign and I... That's not fair. Beep. 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 What's this? Oh, I guess that returns it all back. If an error is made, the Bell Blossom can call the bridge sheets back to where they started. Okay. This music, though, jeez. Do I have to put them all down in order to... Oh, they have to be a line? Okay. So I do something like this. Correct? Maybe? Because they have to be, like, apparently a line for it to work? There we go. Alright, what does the sign say? Congratulations! You failed the puzzle. Alright. Give me a moment. Alright, sorry about that. Let's just get to it, shall we? So... They have to be touching or something? All of them have to be touching? Right? Maybe? So we do something like that? This? No. Oh, I see what to do. So smart. It only took 3 tries. Like probably everybody else. This music ring.
Hello, this is Papyrus. How did I get this number? It was easy. I just dialed every number sequentially until I got yours. So, what are you wearing? I'm asking for a friend. She thought she saw you wearing a dusty tutu. Is that true? Are you wearing a dusty tutu?
Well, yeah. I think regardless of what you know, happened. I don't want to lie.
So you are wearing a dusty tutu. Got it. Wink, wink. Have a nice day.
Click. That's foreboding. A long time ago, monsters would whisper their wishes to the stars in the sky. If you hope with all your heart, your wish would come true. Now, all we have are these sparkling stones on the ceiling. Wishing room. Thousands of people wishing together can't be wrong. The king will prove that. Come on, sis, make a wish! I wish my sister and I will see the real stars someday. It's sad. Woshua. This humble germaphobe seeks to cleanse the whole world. Wash your leg! Tweet! Oh gosh, well. Oh, I need to be right up next to it. Wonders if tears are sanitary. You ask Washro to clean you. It hops around excitedly. Green means clean! Tweet! Oh, jeez. Oh, I can't. You tell it a joke about two kids who played in a muddy flower garden. Washo's power is neutralized. No, that joke's too dirty. I wonder what the green stuff does. Joke again? About a kid who ate a pie with her bare hands. Neutralized. No, that joke's too... Jeez. Oh, okay. Wonders if tears are sanitary. Reach out. Wash recoils from your touch. Yuck! Tweet! Oh jeez, it's speeding up. Washro is rinsing off a pizza. Clean you. It hops around excitedly. Clean means clean. So I have to get the... There we go. Washro is rinsing off a pizza. There we go. Probably only need to do the clean thing once. Look through the telescope. What? Check wall. Huh. Alright. Ah, seems my horoscope is the same as last week's. Which wall, though? I remember the one wall with the, up ahead, maybe? But I remember the other room that had the little crack. And I thought I checked... Oh, that wall. Oh, jeez. Ancient writing covers the walls. You can just make out the words. The War of the Humans and Monsters. Why did the humans attack? Indeed, it seemed that they had nothing to fear. Humans are unbelievably strong. It would take the soul of nearly every monster just to equal the power of a single human soul. But humans have one weakness. Ironically, it's the strength of their soul. Its power allows it to persist outside the human body, even after death. If a monster defeats a human, it can take its soul, a monster with a human soul, a horrible beast with unfathomable power. It's an illustration of a strange creature. There's something very unsettling about this drawing. Oh, jeez. Guess there's no turning back, huh? Oh, jeez, the lighting again. Hey. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay. jeez. Oh. Jeez. Well, thanks. Golly, Undyne. Yo, did you see that? Undyne just touched me! I'm never washing my face ever again. Man, are you unlucky if you were standing just a little bit to the left? Yo, don't worry. I'm sure we'll see her again. It's really sad, though, that the soul thing. This cheese has been here so long, a magical crystal has grown around it. It's stuck to the table. Squeak! Knowing the mouse might one day extract the cheese from the mystical crystal, it fills it with determination. I think I'm gonna end it off here. Next time on Undertale, well, we'll explore more of this cave marsh